we're going to start a new topic, and it's going to be called the moving matchsticks. This is going to be the first part, and some of you are going to learn the second part next week. Okay, so let's get started, guys. Here we go. Let's focus. So here's our introduction. When a child is solving the matchsticks puzzles, you guys will train a short-term memory and imagination, and it will teach us to solve tasks in an atypical manner and expand spatial and logical thinking. So this is very important because these type of questions will come out, and it also links to time as well. So here's our learning objectives. Number 1, know the numbers made of matchsticks. Number 2, add matchsticks to get a new number. Number 3, reduce matchsticks to get a new number. Number 4, we're going to move the matchsticks to get a new number. Okay, we're going to do number 1 first. We're going to see how many matchsticks we're going to need to make up the numbers. Let's take a look. So what are the following numbers made of matchsticks? So we have a 0 all the way to 9. And we're going to see how many matchsticks we're going to need to create those numbers. Okay, whoops. So as you guys can see, for number 0, how many matchsticks do you need here? Oh, what's going on? Oh, why's the screen moving by itself? So I'm going to open up the chat room here, guys. So I'm going to write it down here. How many matchsticks do we need to make the number 0? We're going to need 6. Number 1, we're going to need just 2. Now number 2, we're going to need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3, 1, 2, 3, 5. Number 4, just 4. Very good. 5 is going to need 5, 6. What about number 6, guys? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now 7. Just 3. Very good. 8 is going to need 7. Very good. Number 9, we're going to need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Very good. Now, this is very important. I'm going to circle the ones that have the same number. So 0, 9, 6. And then, let's take a look at 5. 2, 5, and 3. Okay, and the rest are going to be all different. Yes. We're going to need 6 matches to make 0, 6, and 9. And we're going to need 5 matches to make 2, 3, and 5. And the most matches that we need to make, that we're going to use is 7. The maximum number of matches that we're going to use is 7, which is 8. Yes, oh, very good, David. Thank you. So guys, please hold on to those, the screenshot that David shared. You guys are going to need this, and make sure that you draw. Everyone get confused with 9. People think that we can write 9 like this. Like that. But that's not true. We write 9 like this in a matchstick problem. Okay, so make sure you guys write it this way. So if you guys remember these, the number of matches that you're going to need in our screenshot, all of these questions are going to be very simple. Okay, now let's continue this, guys. Alright. So how many matchsticks are used to form the following numbers? please count and match them with the correct number of matchsticks used. Okay, so guys, let's try to remember this. So Stella, could you please come up on stage and match this for me? Hi, Stella.
Hi.
Hello.
Hello.
How many matchsticks do we need to make the number 1?
5. 2.
2. There we go. Over here. And what about 5? How many matchsticks do we need?
7.
So 1,
5.
2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. We're going to need 5. And 8?
7.
Very good. We're going to need 7. And lucky last, we're going to need 6 matchsticks for number 9. There we go. Very
6.
good, Stella. Thanks for your help. Well done. Well done. Thank you, Stella. Very good. So there we go, guys. Can everyone please save this screenshot that David saved? That David shared with us? It's going to help you out. Oh, okay. Now, let's take a look at this. Please add a matchstick to make the number below a new number. So, guys, we have how many matchsticks here? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 matchsticks. So we use 6 matchsticks to make the number 6. If I add one more, guys, if I add one more, 6 is going to turn to 7. We're going to have 7 matchsticks. Now, what is the number that we can make with 7 matchsticks? There was just one number. We have only one option, guys. And the 7 matchsticks is the maximum number of matchsticks that you're going to use to make into a number. I'm going to open up the chat box, guys. What was the number? Yes, it is going to be 8. Alyssa, very good. Let's add another matchstick here and make 8. So this is what you guys have to do, guys. Very good, very good. You have to count for the number of matchsticks, and you have to think of all the numbers that you're going to make with that number of matchsticks. In this case, we only had one option. Okay? So let's remember that again. How many matchsticks do we need to make 0? So let me give you an example. With 6 matchsticks, imagine I have 6 matchsticks. What are the numbers that I can make using 6 matchsticks? 0, remember? And what's next? 6. Not 7. 0, 6, 9. What about 5 matchsticks? 5 was 2. Yep. 2, 3, and 5. Very good, Stanley. Very good. Yes. These are the 2 groups that you have to remember, because after that, the rest are they only have one number each. Very good. So 5 matchsticks, 2, 3, and 5. 6 matchsticks. We're going to need 0, 6, and 9. Very good, guys. Very good. Okay. Alright, so we're not going to talk about any games for now, okay? Please don't say that, or else I'm not going to open up the chat box again. Okay, so this is going to be your turn, guys. Which of the following numbers can be changed into a new number by adding a matchstick? Okay, so this is going to be your turn. You guys can use the selector tool to answer this. Here we go. Oops. Okay, very close, Hannah. Jasmine, Tristan, can we please double check? There we go, Hannah. Very good. Charles, Jasper, Karen, could you please double check? Hi, Seasons. Seasons, Stella, Stefan, could you please double check? We're just adding one matchstick. David, Kane, Stanley, could we please double check? There we go, David. Very good. Very good, Season. Charles, you got it. Yes, Aris. Excellent. Karina, very good. There we go. Stanley. Oh, Stanley, what you got was correct. Let's go back. There we go, Stanley. Very good. Guys, you will have to count for the number of matchsticks. For example, if I have 7 matchsticks here, for number 8, if I have 7 matchsticks, what other number can I make by adding one more matchstick? Can we make a number using 8 matchsticks? I don't know. So you have to do the same for the rest. If you have 6 matchsticks, matches for number 2 or 5, what will happen if I add one more matchstick? Okay, now, who would like to try this question? Okay, I'm gonna let Jazz. Ooh. Okay, let. Ooh, so quick. So hard to press you. David, please come up on stage. Hi, David. Hello. I think your mic is muted, David. There we go.
I think it's B, because if you add a matchstick to the right side of the 5, it makes 9.
There we go. But what about 2?
There we go. Well, if you add matchstick, if you add a matchstick on the left side, it makes the other direction of 9, and if you put it on the bottom, it makes the opposite direction of 6.
Very good, David. Excellent. That's how you do it. Very good, David. Excellent. Thank you. So well done for those who got B for the correct answer. So let me just explain that once more, guys. Can you see how we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 matchsticks? If I add one more, that's going to become 6. And with 6 matchsticks, we can make, what were the numbers that we can make? 0, 6, and 9. But from 2, can we turn into 0? Nope, we can't do that. Can we make a 6? Nope. Can we make a 9? Nope. So we can't do anything to our number 2. That's how you do it, guys. And that's the reason why you have to remember what numbers you can make using a specific number of matchsticks. Okay, let's take a look at the next one. So adding one matchstick can not only form a new number, but can also make the equation true. So let's try it out. Now, this is going to be a little bit harder. Make the following equation true by adding one matchstick. Okay, now 1 plus 3 won't equal to 10, and we're only just going to add one matchstick. Which number can I add to satisfy this equation? Now, let's take a look at number 1. We have 2 matchsticks. If I add 1, we're going to have 3 matchsticks. And what is the number that I can make using 3 matchsticks? It'll be 7. It's going to come over here. And wouldn't that be true? If I add one matchstick to our number 1, Now I will satisfy my equation. 7 plus 3 will equal to 10. So there we go. That's the first one. We're going to add one matchstick to our number 1. Now let's take a look at the next one. If I want to make if I want to change the second number here, and I want to satisfy the equation, I have to change that 3 to 9. Is that possible? Well, we have, how many matchsticks do we have here? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And if I add one matchstick, that we're going to have 6 matchsticks. And what are the numbers that we can make with 6 matchsticks? We have 3 options, remember? We can make 0, we can make 6, we can make 9. And yes, I can't change the 3 to 0, so I'm going to cross that out. I can't make a 6, but I can make a 9, which is a number that we need. And that is going to work. 1 plus 9 equals to 10. So there we go. So we can change our 3 to satisfy our equation. So we can put our 1 matchstick to that number 1 to change that to number 7, and we can change the 3 to 9 by adding 1 matchstick and satisfy equation. Okay, so that's how you do it. Can you see how I'm looking at the number of matchsticks? Please use this method, guys. Okay, Alan, you okay? There we go. Alan, hello.
When I was doing on Ask One, on the question, the selector glitched a lot of times.
Oh, what does it glitch all the time?
And then I couldn't see the screen, and then I pressed C by accident.
No, it's okay.
Then I couldn't press change.
Oh, I can see that it glitches a lot for your device, Alan. How about we try to use a different device next time? Let's see how that goes, Alan. I hope that won't happen again. That's really concerning. Theodora, you okay? Hi, Theodora, you okay?
Yes, I'm okay. But I kind of forgot how to write 2 matchsticks.
Oh, okay. Don't worry. So if you're confused, I'm going to help you out, Theodora. Just remember what numbers we can make how many matches we're going to need to make specific number like this. We're gonna first number 6. With 6 matchsticks we can make 0, 6, and 9, and with 5 matchsticks we can make 2, 3, and 5. Okay.
I said that I forgot how to write 2 in matchstick.
Oh, 2 in a matchstick. Oh, it looks like this. Like that. So we can only go horizontally and vertically. Is that okay?
Yes.
Very good, Theodora. Awesome. Alright, thank you. Let's try the next question, Theodora. Let's see how we go. This is going to be your turn, guys. Which of the following number can make the equation true by adding 1 matchstick to it? Is it 13, or 5, or 4? Okay, there's just one answer, guys, in this case. We had 2 answers before, but there's just going to be one answer here. Okay, so let's try this, guys. Here we go. We have 3 options. And I'll give you 2 minutes to work on this question. Good luck, guys. Think about the number of matchsticks. So I use 5 matchsticks here. I use 4 matchsticks here. And for 13, that's a 2-digit number. Okay. Very good, Stella. Ellen, very good. Well done, Alyssa. Very good, Virginia, very good. Oh, Hannah, Tristan, Kane, could we please try that again? Theodora, Stanley, Stefan, can we please try that again? Yes, there we go, Hannah, very good. Oh, Hannah, what you got was correct, yes. Very good, Kane. Austin, excellent. Caster, there we go. Very good, Stanley. Oh, Stanley, what you got is correct. Let's go back. Very good, Charles. Excellent. Now, Season, yes, Season, you got it correct. You got it. Well done, Roy. Very good, Aris. Karen. Dorothy, excellent. Very good, Jasmine. There we go, Jaden, very good. Oh, Aris, what you got was correct before. Okay, now Season, I'll let you come up on stage. I see you waving at me. Hi, Season. Would you like to draw on the screen? Hello. Oh, I can't hear you, Season. I think it's muted. One second, alright. Oh, I can hear you now.
You hear me now?
Okay.
I found out that I heard that 6 plus 4 equals 10, and then I found out that it was 7. 6 plus 4 is wait 1 second. 1 second. I found out that 6 plus 4 is 10, and then see, this is 5 plus 4. Oh, I have to erase something. Okay, a little thin. Okay, I found out that it was 6. 6 plus 4, and then 6 plus 4 is 10. And then what equals to 30 with it was about to be 6 plus 7. It's another way. So you see, it's A plus 4.
Uh-huh.
And then it was about to be this, like, I can't think what it looks like. Wait, maybe something wrong.
It's okay, yeah. There we go. We're gonna change the 5 into
change the 5 into 8.
Oh, if I want to make it into 8, I need 2 matchsticks. Oh, yeah, there we go, 9. There we go. And that's going to work.
9 plus 4 equals 13.
Yeah, there we go. So if we change the 5 to 9, our equation is true. Well done, Season. Very good. Very good, Season. Excellent. And you did it so quickly. Well done. And well done for those who got A for the answer. Yes. There we go. As you guys can see, let's check that again. We use 5 matchsticks to make into a 5. Sorry. Yes, 5 matchsticks, and if I add 1, we're going to have 6 matchsticks. With 6 matchsticks, we can make into a 0, 6, and 9. Okay, but we can't change the 5 into 0, so I'm going to cross that out. Well, I can make a 6, and I can make a 9. But if I put a matchstick here, turn the 5 into a 6, I won't satisfy my equation, so I'm going to cross this out. But if I change that to a 9, yes, it will work. So I'm going to put a tick for our 9. Let's check out 5. For 4, we use 4 matchsticks. If I add 1 more, that's going to turn into 5 matchsticks. And with 5 matchsticks, we can make the number 2, 3, and 5. But I can't change the 4 to 2, so I'm going to cross that out. And I can't change that to 3, and I can't change the 4 into 5. We have to change the entire thing, right? So that won't work. So I can't do anything to our number 4, and I can't do anything to our 13 as well. So the only option that we have is going to be A. That's how you do it. Okay. So we have already learned to solve matchstick puzzles by adding some matchsticks. How about removing matchsticks? Now this is going to be a little bit harder. We're going to remove matchsticks this time. So please remove a matchstick from the number 9. What new numbers can the number 9 turn into? Let's circle them all. So let's count for the number of matchsticks first. How many matchsticks do you see here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we use 6 matchsticks to make into matches to make into our number 9. If I remove 1, so if I subtract 1, our number 6 is going to turn into 5 matches. And with 5 matches, what are the numbers that we can make? We can make a 2, we can make a 3, and we can make a 5. Right? But can you change your 9 into 2? Nope. Not in this case. Can we make a 3? Oh, yes, we can. If I remove this one, I can make a 3. So that will work. So I'm going to circle 3. Can I make a 5? Oh, yes, I can. If I remove this one, our 9 will turn into 5. So 5 will also work. So let's circle 3 and let's circle 5. There we go. We have 2 answers, 3 and 5. Now, let me just quickly check if you guys are okay. Now, could you please press A if you're good? Press B if you need a little help here. Very good, guys. You guys are doing very well. Okay, who needs help? Alan, you okay? Oh, let me press you, Alan. There we go. You're right, Alan. I hope the screen's not glitchy.
I forgot. It wasn't glitching. It was only like I forgot like how the numbers were. I forgot how much like does six. I forgot them. It kicked me out of the class in Zoomian, and I have to rejoin.
Oh, really? Oh,
so I can't see anything. So I can't see anything in the chat except for new message below. 1926. No, chat room was closed.
All right. Oh, okay, Alan. But I hope you understand now. Is it better now?
No, I still don't understand.
Oh, okay. So let's go through this. But can you see the screen at the moment?
Yes, it's not glitching right now.
Okay. So how many matchsticks do we need to make number 9?
6.
Yep, we're going to need 6 matchsticks to make our number 9. If I subtract that, if I remove 1 matchstick, so if I remove a matchstick from 6 matches, we're going to have 5 matchsticks. And with our 5 matchsticks, what are the numbers that we can make? We can make 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we can make a 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are the 3 numbers that we can make using 5 matchsticks. Do you follow up to this stage?
Yes.
Okay, now take a look at number 9. If I remove one matchstick from our number 9, can I make a 2? From 9, can I turn 9 into 2 by removing one matchstick?
No.
No, so we're gonna put a cross here. Would 3 work?
Yes, and
Yes?
5 would work. Is it? I already can see it.
Very good, and that's why I circle 3 and 5. I can make 3 and 5 from 9. Good, you got it, Ellen. Very good. Excellent. Very good, Ellen. Well done. That's how you do it. Okay, guys, well done. I can see that all of you are very confident with this method. I want you guys to take a look at the next question, and this will be your turn. The number 6 below can become which number by removing one matchstick from it? Okay, so I'll give you guys 2 minutes. We have 4 options in this case. Let's see how we go. Count for the number of matchsticks. To make 6, we use 6 matchsticks. And if I remove 1, we're going to have 5 matchsticks. And what numbers can we make using 5 matchsticks? Very good. I think a lot of you understood this. Very good. Andrew, Stephen, Dorothy, could we please try that again? Hannah, could we please double check? There we go, Andrew. Very good. Yes, Jasper, very good. Theodora, excellent. George, Stella, very good. Oh, Stella, what you got is correct. Let's go back. Yes, there we go. Very good, Stephen. Tristan, Dorothy, Hannah, can we please double check? How many matchsticks can we, if I have 5 matchsticks now, what are the numbers that I can make? There were 3 numbers. And can number 6 become one of those 3 numbers? Which number can 6 turn by removing one matchstick? There we go, Hannah. Very good. Now, I want to let... Okay, Karina, you're going to come up on stage this time. Oh, where are you, Karina? There we go. Hello. I'll let you draw on the screen.
So I pick 5.
Yes, you're correct. What were the numbers that we can make by using 5 matchsticks? We had 2. We had, what was another one?
2, 3,
And
5.
Very good. Can now 6 turn into 2? Nope. Can now 6 turn into 3?
No.
Nope.
No.
But 5 is the only one that will work by removing this one. So yes, the 6 can only turn into 5. Very good, Karina. Excellent. Very good. Excellent, Karina. Thank you so much. Well done. Well done, guys. I think most of you have got D for the answer. That is very good. Excellent, guys. Excellent. I think we can try something harder. Take a look at this one. Make the equation true by adding 2 matchsticks. Okay. Now, let's try this together. How many matchsticks do you see for 5? And we're adding 2 matchsticks, guys. So I use 5 matchsticks to make 5 to turn into using 5 matchsticks. If I add 2, we're gonna have 7 matchsticks. And what number can we make using 7 matchsticks? Andrew, come up on stage, help me out. Hi, Andrew. Oh, I think your mic is muted. Could you please unmute your mic? Andrew, I think your mic is muted. Sorry, I can't hear you. There we go.
You could probably make the add 2 sticks to the 5, making up 8.
Yes. And that will work, right?
Yeah, and then 8. Yeah.
Very good. So this will work. What about the next? Let's take a look at our 9. Can I add 2 matchsticks to 9? Nope. We can't do anything here. And we can't do anything to 17 as well. So we want to change 5 to 8 and make this equation true. Very good, Andrew. That was so easy. Well done, buddy. Well done. Here we go. Here's your trophy. Well done, Andrew. Very good. Very good. Excellent. Now, let me see if you guys are okay so far. Let's do it this way. Oh, there's too many colors. Now, for those who needs help with let's just say question 1. Press A if you need help with question 1. If you need help with question 2, press B. If you need help with question 3, press C. For advanced, press D. And if you're happy, you're good, you're okay with everything, please press you're okay. Press E. Okay? Let's try that. Okay, wow. Look at that. Look at that. Well done, guys. That is impressive. That is very impressive. Very good. Okay, then in that case, let's take a look at one more question at the very end. Let's try this one. We're gonna add 1 new matchstick to correct the equation. Okay. Now, who would like to try this question? Roy, Charles, so quick. Hello, Charles.
Oh. Hi.
Hi, could you please help me out with this question? Let's take a look. How many matches do we make? Do we use to make now number 3? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If I add 1 more, we're gonna have 6 matchsticks. And with 6 matchsticks, what are the numbers that we can make? 0?
0 and
6? And Lucky Love?
6.
Yep. There's 1 more.
9.
There we go. Now, can we make 0 from 3? I don't think so.
No.
Nope. Can we make a 6? I don't think so. I don't think we can make a 6 from adding a matchstick from 3. But can we make a 9?
Yeah.
Yes, we can. It's going to come right over here. And whoop, I think that worked. 9 minus 4 would equal to 5. Yeah? So 9 is an answer. Okay, so let's try that. Let's take a look at our next one. If I want to make this true, well, 4, there's nothing really we can do to 4. What about 5? Not really, because this is minus. We can't make, we either have to remove a matchstick to make that smaller. But if I subtract 3 minus 4, that's going to become -1. So we can't do anything to the rest. The only thing that we can change is number 3. We're going to change our 3 into 9. So the answer is 9. Very good, Charles. Excellent. Very good, Charles. Excellent. Okay, guys. So here's our wrap-up slide. To solve the matchsticks problem, we must pay attention to how many matchsticks are used. So guys, please remember this. You have to pay attention to how many matchsticks are used to make the original number and the new number. First, find the range of numbers according to the number of matchsticks, and then determine the final answer according to the comparison of the position of matchsticks. To solve the equation problems, so this is the equation problems, you can take these steps. First, determine the first number on the left of the equation, which new numbers can be obtained by adding or removing the matchstick, and whether the new number satisfies the equation. Repeat the same process for the second number of the left of the equation. Next, see what new numbers can we obtain by adding or removing the number on the right side of the equation, and whether the new numbers satisfy the equation. So you're going to check all 3 numbers and see whether it's going to work or not. Okay, don't just check once. See if you can change the other numbers as well. Okay? Now, do you have any questions? We've solved a lot of questions today. Yes, Season, do you have a question? No?
I had fun today.
Okay. Oh,
Today
yeah?
I went to school and had so much fun.
Oh, you did? Oh,
Yeah.
very good. What was that?
That's my tooth.
Oh, you took it out. I remember that yesterday that your tooth was moving. Oh, wow, that you have a big gap there. Oh, ow, oh. Is the next one moving as well?
This is big. Yeah.
Ouch. Okay, guys, I'll see you guys next week. Please do your homework as soon as you guys can. And I'll see you all next week.